What you saw is correct. Didn't sleep too well through the night, and since Subway has a promotion going on where you buy one 6-inch sub and you get another one free, and so I got a buffalo chicken sub for pretty much breakfast. Today I'm gonna have a long day. Got an appointment at 1:30, and then I gotta work tonight, so I cannot wait for this day to be over. It's kind of annoying when I want to watch something to kill time for a bit and Netflix decides to buffer. I don't think it has anything to do with Netflix right now, but my friend gave me a free trial of a game that I've been wanting to try for a long time, but haven't had the money to go and buy, and it's a big game, and that might be why Netflix is buffering. So this might have something to do with it. It's about a 10 gigabyte game, and it's got about 4.7 gigabytes left to download. I just got back from the mall, and unfortunately for me, that meeting that I had was canceled. They had another meeting they had to go to. It's kind of important for them, so we scheduled it for another date next week. So while I was out, I got a couple things I needed. Well, one thing really. I got a DVI to DVI male cable, so that way I'm actually going to test putting 2 monitors on my computer because it has a DVI port and a VGA port, and I want to see if I can utilize both ports and have a dual display. While I was at the mall, I stopped in the GameStop because I've been meaning to get this game for a while, but I just got Halo 3 on the Xbox 3 system. Yeah, I've had that since the Xbox since December, but I just now got Halo 3. I'm going to play it sometime later on after work. And there you have it. I have the DVI cable here hooked up, and seems to be working okay.
We also had a Maryland State Police sketch artist.
Okay, so after playing around with the screens for maybe about a half an hour, it actually works great. I mean, it's nice to have 2 screens on one computer. I mean, I've never had that before. I've only done it on a laptop. As far as the old space where I place my computer, I'm probably going to put, I still have a 15-inch TV, and I'm going to put that in there. Use that section for gaming, like the original Xbox, as well as the GameCube, PS1, stuff like that. Speaking of GameCube, though, I did happen to find something while I was at GameStop picking up Halo 3. Since I used to have a Nintendo 64, but traded that in for my PS3, I still had a GameCube, and the one thing I knew was that the AV cable from the Nintendo 64 was compatible with the GameCube, so I would have one AV cable, and they would work on each other. So, since I didn't have the AV cable, I happened to find through the discount bin, a little cheap, GameStop AV cable for the Nintendo GameCube. So that's awesome. It cost me $5. Normally, you can get like a brand new pack that's like a multi-pack for $15-20, and it's like you can use it between the PS3, PS2, GameCube, and so on. And I didn't really need all that, since my PS3 I have hooked up by HDMI, and the Xbox 360 I have hooked up by VGA. since I have another computer monitor that has both. So spending that much wasn't necessary, and thankfully I found this cable when I did. Got a couple of mini frozen pizzas for lunch this weekend, so this should last me. Alright, want to see the real reason why I was here? I just got a haircut. Yeah, it's for my appointment on Monday. Hopefully gonna be able to find a better job, literally. Figured I'll stop in Publix rather than going into Subway. Considering it cost me $4.50 for all three of those. I mean, it wasn't too expensive anyways. Like, yeah, I got a haircut, and now I'm gonna go home. Alright, just got home from work, and stopped by the store, picked up some popcorn. Since I can watch Netflix off my computer now, and I got the dual monitor, I'm just gonna go ahead and watch some Netflix before going to bed, since I gotta work again tomorrow. Well, I mean, it's gonna be like tonight, since it's already 5 in the morning, almost 5:30. I'm gonna go ahead and watch Ed, Edd and Eddy. They added a bunch of cartoons back from the 90s, and it's pretty awesome. Because there's some other shows I want to watch, like Cow and Chicken, Dexter's Laboratory, and all that. So, I'm going to check them out later this week and all that. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.